Cabin crew doors for automatic cross-check and report, please. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the cabin crew are now going to take you through the safety demonstration for the 737-800 aircraft taking you to Krakow today. I'm sure I do not need to tell you how important it is that we do have everybody's full attention at this time to watch the demonstration, and so we will ask that headphones are not worn. It is also a Jet2.com policy that all electronic devices are now completely powered off for takeoff. This includes all mobile phones, tablets, iPods, iPads, e-readers, Kindles and any other electronical device that you may have. If you are also carrying any spare batteries or any power banks, these are not allowed to be used during today's flight and must be switched off until we get to Krakow. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we've got a great flight lined up for you today. But first, here are the safety procedures for our Boeing 737-800. It's very important, so please remove any headphones and listen carefully.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety instruction card.
It has all sorts of safety information, with info on emergency doors and escape routes, oxygen masks, how to use the life jackets, the brace position and more.
And there's even more safety info in Jet2, our in-flight magazine.
This plane has 8 emergency exits. These are clearly marked and we're pointing them out to you now. There are 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 overwing exits in the centre, and 2 doors at the front.
To help you find your way to the exits when there is reduced lighting and visibility, we have additional lighting in the ceiling and in the aisle along the floor. Take a look for your nearest exits now, bearing in mind that they may be behind you.
If you need to leave the plane quickly, take off your shoes or anything else that may damage the slide. Leave all luggage behind and go to your nearest usable exit.
If there's a change in cabin pressure, masks like these will appear from the panel above your head. As soon as you see it, pull down to start the flow of oxygen. Breathe normally as you put it over your mouth and nose, and adjust to fit. Make sure you put your own mask on first before helping anyone else. The bag on the mask may not inflate, but rest assured that oxygen will still be flowing.
A life jacket is located under your seat. When told by the cabin crew, remove it from its bag by pulling the tab and pull it over your head. Put the strap around your waist, fasten at the front as we are showing you, and tighten by pulling the tab.
Once you're outside the plane, inflate the life jacket by pulling down on this red toggle. If you need to inflate it more, blow into this tube. There's also a light and a whistle to help you attract attention.
It's time to fasten your seatbelt. Simply press the 2 metal ends of your seatbelt together until they click. Then pull the strap to adjust so it's tight and low around your waist. To release your seatbelt, simply lift the metal cover. To prepare for takeoff, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened with your tray table and cup holder folded away, your armrests down and your window blinds fully open.
Please also make sure any bags or loose items are safely put under the seat in front of you, and keep all electronic devices fully switched off and safely put away until the seatbelt signs have been turned off.
Thanks for listening and have a lovely flight.